One of the biggest lies out there is that you don't need to learn how to code to do web design. And, I recently attended the No Code conference, and you may wonder, well, why is someone who supports the idea of learning to code attending the No Code conference? But, I think it's important to keep up with what's going on in the web design world. While I was impressed by a lot of the improvements that are going on with Webflow, and I think it's a great tool to be familiar with, I still believe that learning how to code will help you differentiate yourself from the rest of the pack. And by learning how to code, you're more likely to add to what your client's needs are by going out of the template design. While they provide a visual editor that's drag and drop, even looking at their interface for this tool, Webflow, it does actually show you what the CSS and the HTML is. So it's kind of showing you what the code is as you're visually designing. So having an understanding of the code will help you understand what it's even showing you in the interface. And then you're more likely to be able to finesse what's going on your web page. So I am impressed by what I saw at the No Code conference. I think that the tools have come a long way, but time will tell whether these tools will survive, because I've been here long enough to be excited about various no code tools that have come out, only to be disappointed. And they are improving every year. I think that Webflow may be something that may displace WordPress as a primary builder. WordPress is still a big contender in the space where a lot of people are using WordPress sites at this time. But the problem with WordPress is everybody uses WordPress templates. And while there might be a huge variety of them, all the websites start looking pretty much the same based on various trends. So I still believe that learning how to code will help you to make a website that will differentiate you from the pack. Presented by Designers Learn Code.